Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes by yourself. First, gather all your essential tax documents. This includes your Form W-2 from employers and any Form 1099s for other income. Don't forget statements for deductions or credits you might claim, like student loan interest or charitable contributions. Having everything organized upfront makes the process much smoother and helps prevent errors. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to file. You can use commercial tax software, which guides you step by step, or explore the IRS free file program if your income qualifies. For those who prefer a traditional approach, paper forms are always an option. Pick the method that best suits your comfort level and the complexity of your financial situation. Once you've chosen your method, it's time to enter your information. Carefully input all your income details, deductions, and credits. Take your time and double-check every number against your original documents. A thorough review is crucial to catch any mistakes that could delay your refund or lead to issues later. Many software programs offer a final review feature. Finally, it's time to file your return. If you're e-filing, you'll receive a confirmation once it's accepted. If mailing, send it well before the deadline. Remember to pay any taxes you owe by the due date. After filing, keep a copy of your return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. This is important for your records and any future inquiries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.